Here is a late 60s, early 70s super electric model 1490. This is a 3-speed model, however, the original motor that was in it, it's internally shorting out. And this fan was running basically low speed on high. Medium was about the same, and low was just crawling. So I ended up getting a 2-speed Fastco out of a C12 setup on a Lakewood, but the Lakewood was actually in a C14, but it had C12 blades, or C122, I mean. But I didn't exactly need the fan, however I could have used it for parts, and just so happened that it had a good motor in it, so I put the motor to this. I picked this up when I was out west visiting a fan collector. I got a ton of fans when I was out there. To give you an idea just on how many, let's see here, about half of that stack there in the end came from out west. Some of it did. There might be like 1 or 2 in that stack, but mainly in that stack there at the end. All those came out from out west. But anyway, this goes off, high, low, and off. Being that it's got a 3-speed switch, but it's wired for 2 speeds. So we'll start up on high. And I did not service the motor. It's actually a really good air mover. I think this motor is just a little too much for this blade set, but I'm not complaining. It runs a whole hell of a lot better than what was in it. We'll go to low. Now low speed in this thing is actually a proper low speed for this blade set. This is actually a really nice sleeping low speed, in my opinion. I've always wanted one of these super electrics. I didn't care if they had the metal grills or plastic grills. I just wanted one of these little 4-blade ones. I'm glad I have one. Now I just gotta find the plastic grill one. They're easier to find than you would the metal grill ones. I will give it that. Which I don't think would be too hard to find. I just gotta ask around and throw an offer out. I did have a stand. I took the stand off of it because it's a pain in the ass to store with the stand on it. And I never used box fans with stands unless it's a 20-inch that's over there. And then we'll go to off. Now this has a really long coast down. At least it was long when I did the test run. We'll see what it does in video here. Not as long as it was when it was off video. When it was off video, it went on for about at least a minute. That was more like 30 seconds. But anyway, that is it, and until next time.